Congratulations on being nominated, elected, forced into your role as a campus leader for your club and organization. You now officially have the title Student Leader, which sounds amazing. However, now you gotta do the work. And by work, I mean things like write the email, send out the email, design the postcard, send out the postcard, organize the meeting, organize the event, run the event, write a budget, manage a budget, deal with conflict between your members, work with your advisor, work with other organizations, recruit new members, engage your current members, write a constitution, write a vision statement, and on and on and on and on. If you're like me, that sounds exhausting. That is exactly why we made this masterclass. We built this masterclass to help you to better run your organization with less time and less stress. However, before we get into the content, I do feel like I need to take a step back and give you some logistical information. First off, I should tell you about this software that we're using. Second, I want to introduce you to your notebook that is going to be your interactive guide as we go through each section of this masterclass. Third, I want to talk about the rewards that we're going to be giving away every month, aka money for your club. Fourth, I should mention who I am and why I get to be your host for this masterclass. Fifth, I want to talk about these live Q&As that we're going to be hosting every month where you will be able to ask me directly your questions, the things that you're dealing with right now, and I'm going to help you live on camera solve them so that you can again run your club and organization with less time and less stress. Lastly, six is I want to introduce you to the community that will surround this masterclass. Fellow student leaders just like you who are here and know that they can do so much more if they just have the right tool. You know what? Before we get into anything else, let's tackle something right now. Go ahead and open up that book that you have, and in there, write down your name, your organization or organizations that you're a part of. Write down your leadership role or roles that you're a part of. Write down the date that is currently today that you are starting this masterclass. Once you're finished, click the button at the bottom of this screen, and that's going to confirm that you have finished the very first video of this series. Congratulations! And I will see you in the next video.